Hello everyone. In the last video, I covered how to do some basic 3D drafting work. In this video, I'll be showing an example of a completed 3D drafting. This is my 3D version of the judge-witness stand that I showed for my example of a 2D drafting. If you haven't, I recommend watching that video so you can have a better understanding of how to read draftings and compare the differences between 2D and 3D. For example, in both versions, there is a front view, top view, and side view. But in 3D, there is also the ability for isometric views that give a more in-depth idea of what the project will look like when it is built in real life. Working in 3D also allows you to look at your project from any angle using the flyover tool. Seeing a virtual model of what is being built can be very beneficial, however, it also has its drawbacks. As you can see, in the 3D version compared to the 2D version, there is a fair amount of overlapping lines which can make it unclear how and where pieces are supposed to fit together. In my opinion, this is where 2D drafting has the advantage. For this project, I decided to challenge myself to color code in order to make the desired end product clearer. This was very time-consuming and not entirely necessary, but the results were exactly what I hoped for. You can see with everything colored in, it looks clearly like a judge-witness stand from the front, and from the back, you can see how the 2x4 frames are all structured. As with 2D, this is just one of many examples of 3D drafting, and no matter how you go about it, make sure you are clear and consistent. There are many more uses and functions in the program that these videos did not cover, but I hope you have a decent understanding of how to start drafting in Vectorworks. When in doubt, just explore, play around with tools, and have fun.